In this lesson I will explain to you linear equations in two variables and straight lines. I will solve this equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, which we have discussed very well in the last lesson, but here I will explain to you quickly, then I will show you how to make the geometric visualization of solution of the equation. So requirement is find the pairs of numbers that satisfy the equation. I can write down this equation here one more time. So question is, we have to find out the solution pairs or the Cartesian coordinates or the value of x and y. So if I say put y is equal to 0 in this equation, you can solve very easily for x. So 2x plus 3, instead of y we will put 0, which is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6, and here divided by 2 because we want to find out the value of only x, so x is equal to 3. So our first solution is 3 and 0. Keep in mind, always you have to write down the x coordinate first. So x is equal to 3 and y is 0. It means if we put x is equal to 3, so it will be 6, 3 2 times 6, y is equal to 0. So 6 is equal to 6. This solution pair satisfies this equation. One more time, see 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now if I say put x is equal to 0, so x into 0 plus 3y, we can solve it very easily for y, and then divided by 3, so y is equal to 2. So the second solution pair is, again you have to write down the value of our x coordinate first, 0 and 2. So these are the solution sets, right? You can have as many solution sets as you want. Put any arbitrary value here. If suppose I say put x is equal to 1, you can find out the value of y. If I say put y is equal to 2, you can find out the value of x, right? Similarly, you can find out the solutions pair as many times as you want. Here I have calculated four solutions of the same equation. These are the 4 solutions, and I am going to show you how you can make a graph with the help of these solution pairs. And see here I have mentioned the solution pairs of a linear equation always lie on a straight line. What does it mean? First I will show you the geometric visualization. We will make the graph, then I will tell the meaning of this theorem. So first is 3 and 0. Here I am going to write down, if both the coordinates are positive, you have to select a point on the first quadrant. If suppose the first one is negative, or x is negative and y is positive, then we have to consider second quadrant. For third quadrant, both coordinates should be negative, and the fourth one, it should be positive and negative because x-axis here is positive and y is negative. So first is 3 and 0, very simple. So 3 is on the x-axis, this is our point, and here is 0. Then 0 and 2. So 0 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, our second point is this. Then 6 and negative 2. See, positive, negative. So we have to consider third quadrant. This is 6 and this is negative 2. So our third point will lie here. Negative and positive will come up here. Negative 3 and 4. So this is 4. So these are our 4 points. When we join these 4 points, we will get a straight line. So see, solution pairs, and these are the solution pairs of the equation 2x plus 3y, right? What was the equation here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. These are the solution pairs. Solution pairs of a linear equation always lie on a straight line. This is not a coincidence of this example. It is always true that solution pairs of a linear equation lie on a straight line. And the straight line that contains all solution pairs, see, all the solution pairs is on the straight line of a linear equation is called the graph of the equation. The linear equation is called the equation of the line. And every solution pair of the linear equation gives a point on the line. See, this is point, this is this one. Here, this is -3 and 4, and this one is 6 and -2. And the graph is a geometric visualization of the solutions of the equation. So keep in mind that the solution pairs of a linear equations always lie on a straight line, and only 2 points are enough to make a line, but you can find out as many solution pair as you want. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.